Hello, Namaste, Assalamu Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your Washchef at whatever.com. You know, during the festive time, Sankranti time, we usually make a dal sweet like we call it Puran Poli, Bobbatlu and so many other names. But with the same sweet, we dip into the dosa batter and we deep fry, making it very, very tasty. But today I'm not going to boil the dal, but I'm going to slightly dry roast this dal till nice flavor comes out, make a powder out of it and add coconut and lot of nuts and dip into the batter. Not all the time you have to use the same recipes like boil the dal and again process. So here I'm using a lot of dry fruits. I love dry fruits and I can eat tons of them, but today I'm going to add coconut and this dal and I'm going to make this super dumpling. I'm taking 5 kind of dals. In a lot of culture, 5 is an awesome number. We call panchpuran, a lot of other things. So here I'm using urad dal, I'm using tur dal, chana dal, masoor dal and also split green gram. I'm going to dry roast till this nice aroma comes, then put in a blender and make it into a fine powder. These dals are roasted, just put in a blender. If you want to finely ground also, no problem, just ground it to a fine powder. So once you have made the fine powder, now add 1 teaspoon of ghee and to this we're going to add all the nuts. I've got walnut, pista, cashew, almonds. Slightly roast them till you get a nice light color. Once you slightly roast them, now you're going to add freshly grated coconut. Let these also cook with it for a minute. After a minute, we're going to add this powder of all the dals. So this is, for the Puran Poli and these kind of dumplings, we can make various combinations. Why stick to one? Just make these combinations and kids will love it, especially people like me. I love nuts, so mix this and let it absorb the moisture from the coconut. Let it cook for a minute. To this, now we're going to add sugar. Okay, don't add too much sugar. Just the right amount of sugar to this. Melt down a little bit and you will be able to make the dumpling. After cooking this for a minute, if the mixture is too dry, we're going to add just a spoonful of moisture. Switch off the flame and mix it well. This will become like a dough. Take it in a plate and let it slightly cool down. The mixture is still hot. Make this into small roundels like this, like mini ladoos. Make them into these awesome little ladoos. You can eat them as is, but we're going to dip it in the dosa batter and deep fry. With a lot of these nuts, I've got cashew nut, pista and so many nuts. You can make one laddu while you are making all of this and I just love it. The coconut, the dal powders and so many nuts. Once you make these dumplings, I forgot to add the cardamom powder in it, so I'm just going to sprinkle on top on this. That's fine. Now, all you're going to do is put this into the dosa batter, dip it in the batter, fry it till they are nice golden in color. When you drop this in like this, the extra batter, just let it pour on top of this dumplings. Fry them till they are nice and golden. The aroma this gives out is too awesome. Wow, look at them. These are one of my favorite dessert, but the way we made them using nuts, coconut and also the dal flour makes them very, very special. Traditionally what we do is we take, even though they are deep fried, we dip it in the ghee or else we take a sweet like this, make a hole on top, pour the melted ghee in it and then enjoy it. They are really nice and hot. Dip into the ghee, wow, and make a small hole and pour in the ghee. Once in a while you have to enjoy it. Forget about all the calories, but this taste is heavenly. If you want, you can also pour some honey into it, but this is the best dessert in the world. My God, just too awesome. Dear friends, I hope you enjoyed today's session. Keep cooking and enjoy life. Wow.